Hello Miguel, this small short video is specifically for you. This is just a little mock-up of our test jig. Here is the control board we use, of course a 24 volt MEI validator, and this is what's known as a compact hopper. And as you can see, it has the low coin detection system in it. That's what those lugs are for. It goes down to this plug, and I'm showing you this because I'll have to disconnect some of this stuff when I ship it, and it is set on compact hopper. We also have a setting for CC talk, which would go in the top left if there's a single hopper and the top right if there's two, which we won't use with the small hoppers. This validator will take 1s through 20s, but predominantly with these small hoppers in our change machines, we only take 1s and 5s. So anyways, this is how it rolls. Let me put this on the tripod so I can do a little test here for you. Alright, so we will put in a 1. Got a little delay, which is normal, and of course 4 coins. So Miguel, if you have any questions for me, here's one more thing I want to show you, because you'll be setting this up from different components. Power cord, this is self-explanatory. Starts with the left, black, white, green. I always remember it because of a black and white TV. So black, white, green. Everything else, we will disconnect the validator plug here, the hopper plug here, and of course the AC cord. Excuse me. And now this is only the 24 volt system. We also have what's called a 110 volt system. So I will be sending you everything you see here. I'll send you one of your own hoppers, and I'll send you a couple of harnesses, which you're more than welcome to cut into and splice into and see if we can make it work. So if we get this far, we'll have you send it back, and then we'll start making up the harnesses as you show us, and then we will send you again another test fixture, but it will be what we call the 110 volt system. So I certainly appreciate it, and we will look forward to your reply. Thank you, Miguel.